Hey folks, I'm about to open a 2018 pack of Donruss baseball. Kind of weird because there's no Major League logo, but there's a player's logo and Hall of Famer logo on this. So I guess the cards will not have the team logo on it or something. It has 56 card per box. Let's see one. Don't see what I'm looking for. Rated rookies and Diamond Kings unwrap. I don't say or maybe a Buster Exposed car or something. Who knows? So let's see what happened in 2018. So what's going on? What do you guys enjoy the whole because the Divic thing made things fun for baseball. Because the only reason the Dodgers won because of the short season, and they got Milky Vince on their team now. A Red Sox fan, so kind of hard he went to the blue. Could went somewhere else. Old teams, maybe like LA weather. Who knows? Ooh. Ooh, you're a collector. Like that. You open the box and it says, ooh, you're a collector. Cool. Cards are really heavy too. I know this. So what kind of segment? I think how many cards per 8 cards per pack? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kind of odd that number. Yeah. Well, I'm tired. No, 6 pack. 6 cards per pack. Let's see what kind of segment we get. What kind of bear treasure could get at these cards? You're right, there's no logo. The teams. Chicago. Yeah, see, there's no logos. The names, this, where they're from. So this is what they look like. On the back side. Chicago. I don't know. Carlos. Well, that's kind of cool. What kind of fashion, this beer? Diamond King. I think they lost their. But there's no team. It tells you. Kind of interesting. Oh, it's kind of cool. All-star infielders. Barry Larkin, Fair, both Hall of Famers, I think. I know Larkin's a Hall of Famer. That's kind of weird. Donruss don't have to. They lost their thing, but they have the players, the Hall of Famers. Think about them. I think it's kind of weird. I don't know why they did that. I like Donruss. I like their styles back in the 80s and stuff like that, 90s. So that was kind of cool. Ooh, Milky Benz. Back when he was the Red Sox. That's a good hit right there. And behind it kind of shows a little bit of stats. A little different. Long ball leaders. 41 home runs. Ooh, this is a cool one. Shiny. So I got 51 at 349 of this. John Galeta's long ball, 41 home runs. So it's kind of rarity. That's kind of cool. Ray rookie, got rated first Ray rookie so far. Chris Felix. Know anything about his career. Sizer. One of the best pitchers right now, but too bad he's on the Dodgers side. Fun to watch. He's getting over some kick to his son when he pitch. Look, Hall of Famers. Wade Boggs and George Brett. Their Red Sox are mad at him because he chooses to become a Ray Hall of Famer instead of Red Sox. George Brett plays her entire career with Kansas City. He did play a little time in minor league baseball in San Jose. They have a big picture of him. People like old timers that talk about when they even came there when George Brett played. I was like, damn, you're old. I don't know. I gotta stop playing. There we go. Ryan. Some are different designs. Oh, Ryan Express. This is when we with Rangers. Got a Hall of Famer a long time ago. Before even kids were born, even I was born, Jim Palmer. Some of these cards are really kind of interesting. Diamond King, got Diamond King. Jordan with the Chicago Cubs. I mean, Red Sox. Not White Sox. That's nice. These cards, you gotta be careful. That's kind of weird. I gotta look it up why they have no logos on their things. Well, they lost their logos a long time ago, then pay the bills, or they may be cheap. Kind of interesting. It's costing more to air the. Ah, fine. Some of these cards are not. So, Chris Brent, one of the good players. So I can show you guys this. One of the good players out there. There's kind of YouTube about him. He goes to the college games. He tend to be like some kind of foreign player or something. I'm actually kind of new to the guy. Ooh, I got a new one. Chris Brett, 49 out of 59 cards. Some of these things. Urban Longman. Well, those kind of ace players. Great Medics and Tommy Good. Yeah, these guys are both Hall of Famers. You can tell they aired their logo. Both Hall of Famers. They were fun to watch. They had a great team. This kind of cool card. Where this player was. But on the career, on the backside, they have their careers. They don't show their stats. Ugh. Yeah. So I got cool good hits. I'm happy with my hits. Happy with my hits. Happy with my hits. So what kind of cards you guys collect? What are you kind of into? Let me see here. Mickey Mantle, old card. Hall of Famer. Lady for, a long time ago. I got a rookie, Ray rookie. 27 MPP. We'll see that. Second baseman. Frank Thomas, the big hurt. So they're mixing a bunch of old players. Let's see here. Okay. These players, I don't know why it's kind of interesting. Got 2 more packs for you people. I mean, you guys. Well, trying out these cards. So I'm paying inch right now. This is what I'm doing now. So yeah. Oh, Mickey Melt. Woo! Well, excited to see his card. Great rookies. Some of these cards are weird. Got history. He's with the Chicago Rockies. I think it cost him more money to blur there. Guy Diamond King. Back in the days, it kind of like painted or something like that. What was he? Mihu. Oh, we with he was with San Diego, but he was more well known with Yankees in course the World Series. And I got one more pack. Ooh, 18. Ooh, a shiny one. Let's see what kind of special offers this one has. What kind of surprises? I got it from Amazon. Got a bonus pack, I guess. Ooh, that's beauty. Yeah, that's one pretty. Oh, these are pretty cards. Show these beautiful shiny things. Look at that. That's kind of cool. Oh, Aaron Judge. That's like a giant. American Pride. There's a bonus pack right here. This guy could be an interesting player, future. He could like Babe Ruth. Hope someday I'll go see him. And he got a bunch of cards. So, New York. Gosh. Here we go. This is what they look like the rest of them. Colby Tanner. So like and this is gonna be our last part of the video. Please like and subscribe. Tell me what you think. I get better. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching.